What's up everyone, my name is Bree and this, ooh, take that off. Hey everybody, my name is Bree and this is the B-side. Okay, so I have done a fresh color and you're probably looking at this color thinking, wait, that looks blue. You're right, it is blue, and I want you to know that I did say I wanted to make it purple, but I got scared.
What do you want from me?
I did buy purple color, right? But then I lost it, and when I lost it, I thought maybe that was a sign that I wasn't supposed to make it purple. And because I was having second thoughts anyway, I just said, well, let it be lost and let me just make it blue. And you're probably like, oh, you just wasted all that time doing all those clarifying shampoos. No, those clarifying shampoos were good. I felt like my hair got super clean in the last few months. I'm not going to be using that anymore since clearly it takes the color away. But it did make my hair clean. Maybe I'll use it for my scalp only. But yes, I made it blue the other day. I'm sure I'll put some little clips up in there of it being blued out and stuff. And it looks so good. Anytime though I color my hair, and interlocking will follow. So I'm going to be interlocking my hair soon, hopefully next weekend. And then of course I'll be looking brand spanking new. Everything will be looking great on me, and I've got cute little hairs. Look at this. Yep, got some blueness. Yep, that's blue hair color on my scalp. But this looks great. I was also thinking, oh, it's a purple. What if it doesn't go with me? What if it doesn't go with everything I wear? What if I look ugly? You know, nobody wants to look ugly when they do their hair. They want to look great. You're doing your hair for the purpose of looking beautiful. So yeah, but let me give you a little spin. To be afraid, just get the thing that you want to get. Like, this is dark blue, it looks black. I'm keeping it like this. And look, he's even got his swing back, so you'll see. Oh no, man, I don't know. And actually this application was pretty clean because I was trying to be very careful. I'm in my new place now and I didn't want to get everything on the floor. I didn't want to get any blue on the floor, and I didn't get any blue on the floor. I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun and I'm gonna sit like this for a little bit, rinse it out. But that's it. I'll let you see what it looks like once I'm done rinsing it out. Oh, and then in another video, I was thinking maybe I'll do like a chunky braid out or something. Or a twist out. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a poll or something. You let me know what you think you want to see. Okay. Bye.